What's up guys, I'm James and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. Today we are going to be unboxing, installing, and reviewing WidmoVR prescription lenses for the Oculus Quest 2. I want to let you know that I am not sponsored by this company and I did pay for this product out of pocket. The reason I was attracted to this accessory was because every time I play VR I have to put contact lenses in. My current glasses are slightly too big even with the glasses extender piece attached, so I'm hoping this will make my virtual reality sessions more of a grab and go seamless experience. Let's get into the box and see what's included. Packed inside we have a cloth carrying bag that has individual compartments for each lens. It features a drawstring and branded patch with the WidmoVR logo. It's a nice little touch for safely transporting your lenses when not in use. There was no instruction manual included, but they did provide this web address which will lead you to some educational videos. I will also have a link to this site in the description below. The actual lens is compact in these styrofoam compartments. I pre-opened the one on the right to easily remove the lens. Flipping over the first lens, the company has included plastic protective covers. You will be able to use these to keep the lenses from getting scratched or sunlight passing through from a window causing damage. Taking a look, each lens is marked with left or right to help with correct installation. At the time of making this video, these retail for about $65, but I did pay $30 extra for the option to add blue light protection. Before installation, make sure to clean all smudges, dirt, and possible hairs off the Oculus lenses. Then also clean the WidmoVR attachments. I recommend doing this with a microfiber cloth so you do not cause any scratches. The next step will be to locate whether the lens is for the left or the right side. Once you do that, you want to line up the extended pull tab with the top inner corner. Gently snap it firmly into position, but be careful not to break anything. Then repeat with the other side. It is a pretty easy process and you can see here that they are both now installed and the headset is ready for use. I wanted to quickly make note that after trying this accessory out, I found that I needed to reinstall the glasses extender for comfort. My eyelashes were touching the lenses, and once I installed this, it fixed the problem. To sum up my opinion on this product, it does exactly what I wanted it to do. Everything is crystal clear while reducing the need to have uncomfortable glasses pressed against the sides of my head or contacts drying out my eyes. If this is something you are interested in acquiring, I will have a link to the company down below in the description. But keep in mind, you will need to know your prescription from your ophthalmologist. On another note, I did not realize at the time of purchasing that the lenses were made and shipped from Poland. However, they did arrive within a week of being shipped. This is a product that I put off purchasing for a very long time, and I'm glad that I finally pulled the trigger because it is going to make my overall experience getting in and out of the headset much smoother. So thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next one.